Everyone, it's Tim from Your SSD Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to be upgrading my PS4 hard drive to an SSD. And this one is the 860 EVO. I had it in an older computer, and I just want to place it into my PS4 because it's going to increase the speeds in which my games load. And we will also need a USB stick like this. And we have to format this to EXFAT or FAT32. If you have it formatted to NTFS, it's simply not going to be recognized on your PlayStation 4. So I have both of these. And I'm going to go down to the File Explorer right here and then open up File Explorer. And what I want to do is go to my USB device on the left side here and find it. So it is the G drive right here from me. It could be something completely different for you. And I want to right click on it now and then go to Format. And then you can see the options under here. We have file system format. We have NTFS, FAT32, or EXFAT. So I'm just going to go to this and then go to Start. And this is going to delete all the information off here. So just a heads up. And the format is now complete. Now we need to open up a web browser and go to PlayStation.com. Now let's go on over to Support. Click this. Go to Hardware. And then let's go to the consoles right here. And then choose the PlayStation 4. Then we can go to where it says Software Updates. And scroll on down and we can go to Reinstall System Software. Then if we go to the right, we can go to Reinstall System Software. And let's go to Reinstall System Software right here. This will provide us another web page to go to. And then we can go on down. And finally, we're on this page. If we scroll on down, we can see the update file. We don't want the update file. We want the PlayStation 4 reinstallation file right here, and then we can open this up. It says we need to create a folder named PS4 on the USB device, and then inside that folder we need to have a folder that says update. It looks like everything is capitalized, so I'm just going to go ahead and do that, and then we can place the PS4 update file into that specific folder. So let's download it right here, and it should download in the top right. So it looks like we have it here. I'm just going to save it. Then I'm going to go to the download in progress and open this up. I can see it right there. And I already have it downloaded. So I can go to where it says show in folder. So let's go to that. And I can see it on my folder now. So what we need to do is create a PS4 folder first. So let's go to new folder. Name this PS4. Then inside of this folder, we need to name it update. So let's go to right click in here and go to new folder, update. And I'm going to do everything capitalized. All right, so I have this folder and I need to drag this onto my USB device too. So let's take this reinstallation file and drag it into here and then put it into the update folder. Perfect. Now let's open up my USB device. So let's scroll on down until I get to the G drive, and this could be completely different for you. Then let's take the PS4 folder and drag it into here. All right, this will be good. It's about 1 gigabyte, so if you don't have the largest USB device. Now, when selecting a SSD for your PlayStation 5, it has to be a 2.5-inch SSD, otherwise it won't fit. And these are most commonly found with laptops. And they look like this. Now, if you look at the pricings for the SSDs, it's about 1 terabyte for $63, which is a good price for just a quick little upgrade for your PlayStation 4. If you scroll on down, you can see we can actually get some cheaper ones. This one's $50. This one is $34. Just make sure it's about 500 gigabytes, otherwise you won't be able to fit any games on it. Okay, now that we have this onto a USB device, let's go on over to my PlayStation 4 and then put it into the safe mode so we can reinstall the system software. Okay, so now what I want to do on my PS4, if it's turned on, hold down the power button right here and then completely turn it off. Keep holding it down, you'll hear 1 beep, and then you'll hear a 2nd beep, and your PS4 is going to power off. So you will need a USB cable and you need to connect your controller so we can operate the safe mode menu. Also, we need to just remove the side cover. If you just pull it to the side, it should come off very easily. Then we're going to have one screw right here. And we need to unscrew this. And then you can also plug in the USB device into the open USB slot. And then we can just pull it out of the system tray. Just like this. And then there's going to be 4 screws on the side that you need to remove. But if you look at the orientation of how I have this is my old hard drive. And this is the new one. We want to just align it how we take it out. So you can see how it is. Samsung is facing up. And once you have this correctly aligned, screw in the sides, and there's going to be 4 screw holes on each side. And that's just going to level out your hard drive when you place it back in so it can actually plug in correctly. So once again, this is how it looks. And then we can just slide it back in here. And then put that one screw in. And you should be good to go. Just add the cover back on. Place your USB device in the open slot. And then plug in your controller. Now the cover will go on rather easily. Just add the back first. And if you're on the PS4 Slim, I believe the hard drive is on the side somewhere here. And then you can just snap it in. Hold down the power button. You'll hear that one beep again. And you'll hear a second beep. And once you hear that second beep, it's going to launch into the safe mode menu. We'll need our controller. Now hold down the PlayStation button and you should be able to operate the safe mode menu. And we can just go to option number 7. It probably won't give you any other option. Just go to option 7 here and then go to OK. It says please wait. Now when you go through this process, it's going to take you about 15 minutes to complete. Didn't take me all that long. Your PlayStation 4 is going to restart numerous times, and when it finally gets done, it's going to be like your PlayStation 4 is new, so you have to select the language, you have to connect to the internet. Once you get to the screen, just go to yes, and it's going to start the process for you. Alright, with my controller connected, let's press this and go to English, and then go to next here, and then connect back up to the internet. Now I'm going to show you a quick demonstration of how quickly Minecraft loads with my new hard drive. Since I put in an SSD, it's only going to load in about 40 seconds until I can go ahead and start the game. On my regular hard drive, it would take me about 2 minutes and 40 seconds to 3 minutes to actually get past this red screen and get to this screen. So it's about 5 times quicker, maybe not. But let's go to play. It's a significant upgrade for about $40 that you want to go ahead and upgrade to an SSD. Makes a huge difference. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on Your 6 Studios.